Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. It's actually a Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. And in the newspaper of yesterday, Saturday, May the 7th, 2022, we have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles on Sunday. The rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition, Tuesday, May the 5th, 2022, 4 days ago. Yes, we have here in this additional four puzzles left: the Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, the tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Four puzzles left. First puzzle I will do is the 1 star Sudoku. And this one will be number 4521. 4521. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. We have a 1 in the first row. The 6 in the first row. The 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 6. How about yeah. 8. Yes. In the first column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in the first column. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3. 1 2 1 5 7. Okay. And then interesting 5 1 7 7. Yeah. In this column, the middle column, one of the missing number, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there in the middle column. We see there 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, and look, we have a 2 and 8 in the middle a row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, so 1 digit left in the middle column for number 4. All right. 5. What are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 7, 7. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row are both. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 1 in the first in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2, 3. Okay. Well. I'm thinking. Come on, it's taking too long. 9. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so no row below. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this. 2 missing numbers in this middle row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and a 6, 1, and 4, 4. Okay. 3, 3. I'm thinking. 9, 9. Okay. 8, 1, 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this first column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in the last row. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So one digit left in the first column for number 8. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 2. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Oh, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then can I count? And all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 1. How about 6? Nope. 6 cannot count. The 9. Nope. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Oh, wait. How about the 5 then? Nope. 5. 2 missing numbers in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 3. Alright, so 2, 2. How about the 4? Is all the 4s? No. No. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. one box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, a little bit slower than I expected, but I'm pleased, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you the data. 461 we have here. 461, 549, 549, 183, 183. Here we have the 1 as a pair, the 4 as a pair. 6, 5, 8, 3, 9. 2 pairs. Alright, thank you. And see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.